What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best camping string lights on the market for this year. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. TWilights Camp Lights. The TWilights Camp Lights, priced at $25, offer versatile and reliable illumination for your camping needs. These compact string lights feature 20 LED bulbs with 4 lighting options, reminiscent of festive Christmas lights. Opt for either the white or colorful version to suit your ambience preference. What sets these lights apart is their impressive 72-hour battery life, running at full brightness for 3 days on 3 AAA batteries. They're not rechargeable, but their prolonged battery life makes them ideal for extended camping trips. These lights come with a convenient stuff sack for easy packing, though be cautious to prevent tangling and wear. While they're easy to hang with loops and clips, they won't fully light up your camp alone. Consider using multiple sets for broader coverage. Number 2. BioLite SiteLight String. The BioLite SiteLight String at $20 is an affordable, portable, and bright lighting solution. Perfect for BioLite system users, these strings consist of 4 lights spanning 10 feet with 150 lumens of power. Note that the last 4 feet are for connecting to the power source. These lights effectively brighten small spaces, ideal for car camping, car interiors, and tents. While they won't fully light up an entire campsite individually, they can be daisy-chained for extended coverage. To use them, you'll need an external battery, and they include a removable USB dongle for charging. While suitable for backpacking, they shine best in car camping setups and can be powered by the BioLite Alpenglow 500 lantern. Number 3. Nite's Radiant Rechargeable ShineLine. Nite's Radiant Rechargeable ShineLines, $30, offer a modern, stylish twist to campsite lighting. These fiber optic cord lights are versatile and unique, suitable for various settings. They can outline tents, illuminate group sites, or wrap around objects like tent poles, deck railings, or bike frames. They're rechargeable via mini USB and run for about 6 hours on a full charge. The package includes 4 wire ties for easy hanging and storage. However, their brightness isn't consistent along the cord, being brightest at the ends and dimmer in the middle. When tightly wrapped, they shine brighter. These lights provide a gentle glow rather than intense illumination, similar to a glow stick. For strong reading or cooking lights, LED lights might be better. Number 4. GoalZero Light A Life Mini. The GoalZero Light A Life Mini, priced at $80, is a versatile lighting solution suitable for illuminating a single campsite or multiple tents. It's more like a set of 4 chainable lights than a traditional string. Each light segment features about 4 feet of cord with a USB on both ends, allowing you to connect them together. Each segment has its own switch with 2 brightness settings, a 110 lumen function and a 30 lumen low function. This provides flexibility but can be slightly inconvenient when adjusting multiple connected lights. While the Light A Life Minis are relatively pricey for non-battery lights, they offer several appealing features. The modular design enables you to split the lights, sending 2 into separate tents with battery packs. Adjustable shades allow for both direct and diffuse lighting, and colored shades help set the desired mood. Number 5. TIKI BiteFighter LED String Light. The TIKI BiteFighter LED String Light, priced at $160, is a valuable addition for boondocking or backyard setups. While not easily portable due to requiring a wall outlet, it can function through an RV, camper, inverter, or robust battery system. If you have the right setup, they perform exceptionally well. This 36-foot string includes 12 LED lights, with 2 spares, emitting a warm yellowish glow, ideal for illuminating summer evenings and large areas. Controlled by a single switch, they're user-friendly, water-resistant, and boasting a long bulb life. These lights can withstand light rain. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.